Hello, everyone, and welcome. Well, I had to get this. It's Magic the Gathering Lord of the Rings edition, the starter kit. I haven't played Magic in over 15 years, but when I heard they have the Lord of the Rings edition, I had to get it. So I play this like a board game. I don't collect it or anything. I never did when I was younger. I just played this you know, just against friends. So I'm gonna unbox this and look at the cards. I got this today. It's supposed to come out in a few days, but my local game hobby store, was just selling them today. So let's open this bad boy up. All right. So it comes with the two decks for two players. It looks pretty cool. Sauron, Aragorn. Man, I love Lord of the Rings. I am such a sucker for Lord of the Rings. Okay. I remember back in the days, it used to come with a placemat and stuff. So you got a starter kit. Okay. Usual stuff there. What is this? Oh, a box for each of them. Okay, cool. A nice little box you put them in. And that's it, huh? No placemat or tokens or anything to keep your score. I remember back in the day, the starter kits used to come with that. Well. All right, let's pull these out and see. Wow, the smell of the cards. It smells like Magic the Gathering. If you've ever had a deck, you know the smell. I love it. It's almost like the Pirates of the Caribbean smell. It's got that nostalgia to it. It's that Sauron, Aragorn. There's Frodo. Gotta open these up. Sauron looks awesome. Gollum. Man, I want to see the Shire and all that. Frodo. Ooh, man, look at Gandalf, the White Rider. Oh, that's beautiful. That is beautiful art. Wow. I mean, I don't think I'm going to go through every single one, but wow, Galadriel. Oh my gosh, I'm nerding out over here. Bilbo's ring. Wait, so it's not the one ring, huh? The person at the game store is like, everybody's looking for the one ring card. But I don't think it's in the starter deck. I wonder how far into the books and movies it goes. Like, is it does it contain the Two Towers stuff? And I mean, there's Gondor. Um, and the Return of the King stuff? Or, like, are they going to milk it? Are they going to do, like, okay, this is only, like, from the first book? Second breakfast. Oh, that's great. Ooh, that looks good. Oh, so this art, it's beautiful. Banishing Light. Ooh. These are beautiful, man. Oh my gosh. I've read all the books too. Been a long time though. I don't remember much. It's just something I should keep reading actually. Oh yeah, this is like regular Magic forest and stuff. Okay. All right. Oh wait, hold on. Let me see here. Oh, I'm making a mess. Ooh. Yeah. Oh, that's beautiful. Wait. Okay. All right. So here's the evil deck. Gollum, looking great. Ooh, the Witch King. beautiful. Beautiful. Fires of Mount Doom. Oh, man. The Balrog. They had a lot of different, like, booster packs, this and that, you know? But I don't get into all that. I just want to play like a game. Shelo's Ambush. Nasty End. Moria. So obviously there's a lot of different cards from that is not going to be in here because they have so many other packs and stuff. But I just wanted to make sure I get in the starter pack, it has enough stuff from the books that makes you satisfied to just have the starter pack and just play, you know. And yeah, I'm liking what I'm seeing. The Swamps. And for those that haven't played this before, you should try it. It is really cool. It really is cool. All right. And there it is. Cool. So yeah, this was 20 bucks. It's worth it. It's worth it. Can't wait to play. I just got to find some friends, you know? All right. Thanks for joining me. Have a wonderful night.